Hello, this is an instructional video which will show you how to adjust the spring tension on a Rolex Tri-Fold Clasp. This clasp is working as it should. It stays closed on the wrist, it opens predictably and closes with a snap. If your clasp is too loose and doesn't snap securely, or is so tight that it hurts your fingers when you try to take it off, all you need to do is concentrate on the center of the three folds. It needs to have an arch shape that is a little bit greater than the arch on this fold and in the opposite direction. So by bending that with my thumbs right now, I have now made it so that it almost snaps tight enough, but maybe we want it just a little bit tighter. Again, if it's not arched enough, you won't get a secure clasp. If it's too arched, it will be really hard, or you won't be able to snap it at all. It will almost be impossible to take off. But with the right amount of arch, it will work as intended. Thank you for watching.